As a project management expert, I often encounter businesses struggling to keep their financial house in order while simultaneously managing complex projects. The disconnect between project execution and financial tracking can lead to budget overruns, inaccurate invoicing, and ultimately, reduced profitability. This is where Zoho Books steps in, offering a powerful and integrated solution that goes beyond traditional accounting software. It serves as a central hub for managing project finances, tracking billable hours, and ensuring smooth invoicing, all within an easy-to-understand interface. While primarily known as an accounting software, Zoho Books offers a robust projects module that equips businesses with essential tools for managing the financial aspects of their projects. It's particularly beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, and freelancers who need a streamlined approach to project costing and client billing without investing in separate, complex project management software. Think of it as your financial command center for all project-related activities. Core functions of Zoho Books for project management. At its heart, Zoho Books empowers project managers and business owners to effectively handle the monetary side of projects. Here's a breakdown of its key functionalities from a project management perspective. 1. Project creation and organization. Creating new projects. Zoho Books allows you to easily create new projects, providing a dedicated space to track all associated financial activities. You can define essential project details such as the project name, client, and billing method. Task management within projects. You can break down projects into manageable tasks and subtasks. This hierarchical structure helps in organizing work and tracking time and expenses against specific deliverables. Assigning tasks to team members. Zoho Books enables you to assign specific tasks to your team members, fostering accountability and clarity on who is responsible for what. Project overview. The platform provides a clear overview of each project's financial status, including billable hours, expenses incurred, and invoices sent. This at-a-glance view helps in monitoring project profitability. 2. Time tracking and timesheets. Effortless time logging. Zoho Books offers multiple ways for team members to log their billable hours. They can manually enter the time spent on tasks or use a built-in timer for real-time tracking. Daily and weekly timesheets. Team members can submit their time on a daily or weekly basis, ensuring accurate record-keeping of billable work. Mobile time tracking. The Zoho Books mobile app allows team members to track their time on the go, which is particularly useful for teams working remotely or on client sites. Timesheet approval workflow. Project managers can review and approve timesheets submitted by their team, ensuring accuracy before invoicing clients. Role-based access. You can customize user access, allowing team members to only view or log their own timesheets, maintaining data privacy. 3. Expense management for projects. Recording project-related expenses. Zoho Books allows you to record all expenses incurred for a specific project, such as travel costs, material purchases, and subcontractor fees. Categorizing expenses. You can categorize expenses for better tracking and reporting, making it easier to analyze where project funds are being spent. Attaching receipts. The ability to attach receipts to expense entries ensures proper documentation and simplifies the reimbursement process. Billing expenses to clients. Zoho Books makes it easy to associate project expenses with client invoices, ensuring that all billable costs are accurately captured. 4. Invoicing and payments. Creating professional invoices. You can generate professional and customized invoices directly from within the project module, pulling in billable hours and expenses with ease. Multiple billing methods. Zoho Books supports various billing methods relevant to project work, including fixed cost, invoicing a predetermined amount for the entire project, based on project hours, billing clients based on the total number of hours spent on the project, based on task hours, billing clients based on the specific hours spent on individual tasks, based on staff hours, billing clients based on the hourly rates of the team members who worked on the project. Progress invoicing. For larger, long-term projects, you can create progress invoices to bill clients at different milestones. Retainer invoices. Zoho Books allows you to collect advance payments for projects through retainer invoices. These payments are automatically applied to the final invoice, simplifying the billing process. Online payment integration. Integration with various online payment gateways allows clients to pay invoices conveniently, improving cash flow. Automated payment reminders. You can set up automated reminders to be sent to clients for overdue invoices, reducing the time spent on chasing payments. 5. Project budgeting and cost tracking. Setting project budgets. Zoho Books allows you to set cost and revenue budgets for your projects, enabling you to track actual performance against planned targets. Tracking project costs and revenue. The platform provides real-time insights into the costs incurred and revenue generated from each project, helping you monitor profitability. Profitability reports. Zoho Books generates reports that show the profitability of your projects, allowing you to identify successful ventures and areas for improvement. Budget forecasting. Based on the current progress of a project, Zoho Books can forecast the total estimated cost, helping you anticipate potential budget overruns. Planned versus actual cost analysis. You can compare the planned costs against the actual costs incurred, enabling better cost control and informed decision-making. 6. Collaboration and communication. User roles and permissions. You can define different roles and permissions for team members, controlling their access to project-related information and functionalities. Client portal. Zoho Books offers a client portal where clients can view project progress, approve timesheets, and pay invoices, fostering transparency and communication. Benefits of using Zoho Books for project management. Integrating Zoho Books into your project management workflow offers numerous advantages. Streamlined financial management. It centralizes all project-related financial activities, eliminating the need to juggle multiple spreadsheets or separate accounting and project management systems. Improved accuracy in invoicing. By directly linking billable hours and expenses to invoices, it reduces the risk of errors and ensures accurate client billing.